Hello students, this is the video number 17, chapter 6, Heat and Energy, for class 9 standard subject is physics. In this video, we'll discuss about temperature. So temperature is what? Temperature is a quantity which tells the thermal state of body. Okay, whether the body is hot or cold. So degree of hotness and coldness also we can evaluate. So temperature is the factor, it determines the flow of heat when two bodies are in contact with the different temperature at different temperatures are placed in contact. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin and represented by capital K. This is the symbol. There are another units to measure the temperature, that is in degree Fahrenheit, and in degree Celsius. So these are the another two scales. Kelvin scale is also known as scientific scale. Okay. A SI unit of temperature is also Kelvin and the scientific scale is also Kelvin. So after that, very important relation, that is the relationships between this Kelvin and Celsius scale. So Kelvin is equal to C plus 273 or C is equal to K minus 273. This is the relation of Kelvin with Celsius. Relationship between Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. So that is C over 5 F minus 32 over 9, and directly you can learn 9C is equal to 5F minus 160. If you multiply, you will get this. Okay, so this is another relation. There is another important difference is given in the book, that is difference between heat and temperature. So from book you can study it point wise. Heat is a form of energy obtained due to random motion of the molecules. Okay, random motion of the molecules which gives you internal energy. And corresponding to that, another temperature point is, in comparison sake, Temperature is the quantity which tells the thermal state of the body, whether the body is hot or cold. And even it determines the direction of the flow of heat also. Heat always flow from hot body to cold body. Second, SI unit is joule. Here SI unit is Kelvin. Amount of heat contained in a body depends on mass, temperature as well as material of the body. Q is equal to mc delta T. From there they have derived this. Third is temperature of the body depends on the average kinetic energy of the molecules due to a random motion. Fourth is heat is measured by the principle of calorimetry. And temperature is the degree of hotness which we can measure by the help of thermometer. Fifth, two bodies having same quantity of heat may differ in their temperature. Like 20 joule if two bodies will have, so maybe their temperature can be different. It's not necessary for the bodies to have the same temperature. Fifth point for temperature, two bodies at same temperature may differ in the quantity of heat contained. Okay, for two bodies, when they are at the same temperature, their heat can be different. Maybe temperature will be same, but heat can be different. Now the last point, when two bodies are placed in contact, the total amount of heat is equal to the sum of heat of individual bodies. Suppose 10 joule and 12 joule. These are the two energies for two bodies. So what will be the total energy? 22 joule. When two bodies at different temperature are placed in contact, so resultant temperature will be the temperature which will lie between the high temperature body and low temperature body, somewhere between them. Okay, so that's all for this video. Listen it carefully. You can repeat also and read the content from the book. Thank you very much.